Welcome to Crack Defense. So let's quickly get started. Firstly, let's see what is periodic motion. So the motion which is repeated in equal interval of time, for example, rocking chair or bouncing ball, or we can even say vibrating tuning fork, are such examples which do periodic motion. Now, important point to note here is the time period here depends neither on the mass or nature of the bob used nor on the amplitude of pendulum. So now, coming to the period of simple pendulum, how do we calculate that? So you have t equal to 2 pi under root L by G, where L is the length of the pendulum and G is the acceleration due to gravity. Now you have frequency here. How do we calculate the frequency? It's just 1 by t, that is inverse of time period. Coming to next, we have wave motion. Let's first understand electromagnetic waves. Now these waves does not require any kind of medium to travel, for example light. Now coming to mechanical waves, these definitely require a medium to travel, and we have an example as sound. Now what are transverse waves? The particles in the transverse wave vibrate at right angles to the direction in which wave is moving. As such, light. Now longitudinal waves are for sounds. That means where particles vibrate parallel to the direction of waves. Coming to the wavelength, how do we calculate or what exactly wavelength is? It's distance between two nearest points in a wave which are in same phase of vibration, or we can even say distance between two crests. Now velocity of wave is calculated by frequency of wave multiplied by just wavelength, that is lambda. Important thing to note here is the speed of light depends on nature of medium, temperature as well as humidity of air. And sound cannot be heard on surface of moon. Why? Because there is no air on the moon to carry sound waves. And definitely we know that the sound waves require a medium to travel. Further coming to interference. So what is that? It's just the combination of two or more electromagnetic waves to form a resultant wave in which the displacement is either reinforced or cancelled. Now diffraction is a phenomenon where waves encounter an obstacle or a slit. We can even say where bending of waves around the corner of an obstacle or through an aperture into region of geometrical shadow of the obstacle happens. We simply need to note here that light is faster than sound. And hearing frequency of humans, that's a simple fact that it is somewhere around 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. The sound waves having frequency higher than 20,000 Hz, which we cannot hear, are known as ultrasonic waves. Thank you.